guys, good morning and welcome to my channel Colin and I. So today it's Wednesday, it's October 14, 2020, and I decided to show to you guys how for the first time I use our dishwasher. So since I got here last 2018, I haven't really used our dishwasher. Colin said before, when he was single, when he was living alone here, so he's been using the dishwasher by himself. So of course not every day, and I asked him like maybe twice a week he would use it, or whenever he would run out of utensils. So, but then when I got here, so we decided we do wash our dishes manually because it's kind of like part of our bonding. Like I'm the one who's gonna wash it, and he would be the one to dry it off. So we use this one to dry this. This is just especially for our dishes, so we can't use that to wash our hands. So, and um, last weekend, I was so curious about it and how to use this. So, I actually Colin use it again, and he showed it to me how he used it. And then I said to myself, I'm gonna try it myself, and I want to do a vlog on it. Um, for first time for me to use our dishwasher, and it really helped. It really makes my household chores able to finish as fast as I can, and I was able to relax. Not like before, like it would take me like 30 minutes, I guess, like all in all, because our dishes from dinner, then I'm gonna wash that the next day. So, but then that's why Colin decided to show to me how to use his dishwasher, because I was like so busy last weekend, and I said to him, oh, we have to wash the dishes too, and we have plans the rest of the day. But then yeah, I was saying like, okay, we're gonna wash the dishes too, and there was a lot of dishes. So he said, well, why not using dishwasher, then we have it here. So, and then that one, like the dirty word and the clean, so I just cut that from our magnet, what you call it, notes, which I attach in front of our fridge. And then yeah, I said okay, so that we know that it's dirty inside or clean already, and we have to put it back to, there. So this would be my first time today, because I just only like watch Colin how he did it. So, and then last night, um so he organized all of this here. He helped me, and this all of that dishes are really like dirty. So that was from Sunday night, because we had it washed some of the dishes like Sunday noon. So these are all from Sunday evening until last night. But we have some in here this morning for breakfast. So, and what Colin told me, even though we have the dishwasher and we're gonna wash it with a dishwasher, but still we have to clean a little bit, like manually, like for example, like a plate with some leftover foods, so you can't put in there, you have to throw it first. So, or wash it with water before you put in there. So I know all of those people who have dishwashers, so you can relate on me, like when you guys use your dishwasher for the first time. So yeah, and I'm gonna wash the cups from our breakfast, like the coffee. So I'll be back. So I'm done rinsing this off. So these are clean but not 100% clean because I didn't use any soap while rinsing this. It's just um, to rinse the debris off before putting it inside the dishwasher. So I'm gonna put it inside the dishwasher and I'm gonna find a spot because it actually like full now. So you see this, it's full. So I know where to put this. It's so big. Have to be sure that it can close. Guess. Right. I guess this already. I'm gonna put this. And I'm gonna use this one. So I'll just have to put soap in here. No. Right. Okay, I think it's ready. So I'm gonna close this. Excuse me, boys. And I'm just gonna click the start. Right. And this would take a few minutes. It depends. So right now it's Sunday. Okay. Washing. So it's gonna go through every level. So after washing, drying, clean, and actually until clean, unless if I want to sanitize it more, then I'll have to click sanitize after the clean. So see how easy it is. And actually I thought like it wouldn't clean much because one of the reasons why I want to wash it manually is because I want to make sure that every corner of the plates and other utensils really clean properly, because of course I never been used that one, and all I was thinking like, how can that be able to clean every inch of it? Like, it's just a machine, it's just like a sprinkling, the what you call this, the blades, um the utensils. So but then when Colin showed it to me how he did it, well, it's just a press of a one button, and after it finished, then um, I checked it, and it's completely like super bright. I mean, like compared to when I wash it manually, like there's no stains at all. So, and of course, like um, one of the uh, advantage is of using the dishwasher is because like it it will heat up much hot water on it. So compared to just like the tap water, so it would really like kill bacterias and everything on it. So that's why I said I think I like using the dishwasher. So I was like thinking to use it twice a week. So and we'll check this later once it finishes. So and I'll show it to you to guys how it really clean it much. Alright guys, welcome back again. Yeah, the dishwasher finished the cycle, so mine just took around like an hour or kind of less than a few minutes before an hour. So what I know normally to some other dishwashers it will take like 1 to 2 hours and could be like longer, so it depends on how much they set the cycle. So if they set it at like a heavy wash and or something, but mine I just set it at with a normal wash because it's not really dirty. I mean it's dirty because we use it. It's I mean I we use it for meals the last couple days. But as what I said earlier, I wash it first manually and before I put it inside the dishwasher. So alright. Oops. So, oops. Okay. So it says it's clean already, and so when I had it running, I was eating my lunch in the living room, so I wasn't really like uh, watching it a lot of times. So until like I didn't hear any sound at all, so I checked and it says clean. So and since I didn't use sanitized wash on it, so it didn't reach the sanitized level, so it's clean already. And yeah, before I started it, I put it to normal wash. So let's both check that if it's really totally clean, because for sure it's not steaming at all. It's kind of like a few minutes before like I found out that it's finished. Yeah, it looks pretty clean though. See, this is where I put the soap and it's all gone. So yeah, this is really super cool. I mean, yeah, usually here in the US, so they're having dishwashers. So of course I came from Philippines, and yeah, we manually wash our dishes there. But it doesn't mean that some houses there doesn't have any dishwashers at all. So for sure they do have, but in our house there we don't have dishwashers. But I heard what dishwashers do. So until I came here in the US, and I wasn't much interested in the beginning until I tried this last week, which my husband Colin showed it to me, And I said, okay, it will save me much time on my chores if I'll do this. I just want to make sure that it's totally clean. So after he showed it to me and after I saw the result that it's really clean, and I can still when I touch this, I can still feel a little like warm, so meaning like it's really like um, with boiled water or hot water. So what I use what I did last time, which as I said Colin did it, but of course like I told him, okay, I'll take it from here. So what I did, since it's still wet, or no, and I'm not gonna use it right away, so I just let it here inside, and maybe later tonight um I'll start uh what's it called, this wiping it with our this one here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this back. And so from dirty, I'm gonna transfer this to clean. Yeah, meaning it's clean. So if we have used plates or other utensils that we used earlier before the cycle, like this one here, then we're sure that we're not gonna put it inside the dishwasher because it's all clean here. So that would be for the next batch. Right. Right. Thank you guys for watching on how I used my dishwasher for the first time. So yeah, I hope like you guys, well, like those who doesn't own dishwasher yet, but as what I said, here in the US, most of the houses do have dishwashers. So I mean, in other countries, in the Philippines, so yeah, if you guys do have dishwasher, then do not hesitate to use it. Well, I know it will take electricity use on it, but well, you don't need to use it every day though. So guys, until next video again, and Ivy signing off. Bye.